Hello everyone, myself Swapna Patil from SLRTC. Here I am going to explain what do you mean by line code. Now the line code are the waveform which is used to transmit a data which is nothing but the digital data over a baseband channel. Now this baseband means without any modulation we are sending the digital input data through the channel. The line code encode the digital data bits into waveform that are suitable for the transmission over a baseband channel. That means that you will have the input digital data that we have to convert, that bits we have to convert into the equivalent waveform. That is nothing but the line code. So there will be a different suitable format for the transmission over a baseband channel. So the different formats for this line codes are: first is non-return to zero unipolar. The abbreviation for this notation, non-return to unipolar. Next is non-return to zero polar, NRZ polar. Third is non-return to zero polar, NRZ bipolar. Return to zero unipolar, Z RZ unipolar. Return to zero polar, RZ polar. Return to zero bipolar, RZ bipolar, and the last one will be the polar Manchester. Now we will see how the digital data bits can be these are the different format. In this different format we have to send the digital data bits to the baseband channel. So we will see what are the different format, how we can draw the different waveforms for this different format for the line codes when the digital inputs is given to you. Here we will see how the different line code format will be represent the bit 1 and 0. So first we will see non-return to 0, NRZ unipolar, where bit 1 is represented by A voltage and bit 0 represented by 0 voltage. Second one, non-return to 0 polar, bit 1 represented by plus A voltage and bit 0 is represented by minus A voltage. Third is a non-return to 0 bipolar, where bit 1 represent plus A and minus A alternative. That means in this alternative 1 will represented by plus A and minus A. Suppose first one bit is there, that will be denoted by plus A volt. Next one bit in the sequence, it will be denoted by the voltage minus A, and so on. If the third bit is there, again it will be a plus 1, and alternative ones will have plus A minus 1. Bit 0 will be represented by 0 voltage. Fourth is non-return unipolar, where bit 1 is represented by plus A volt and bit 0 is represented by 0 volt. In this, if you compare non-return to 0 and return to 0, in this the difference, basic difference is what? For return to 0 the bit duration is become half, that is TB by 2. But for non-return to 0, all this non-return to 0, the bit duration will be TB. Now the fifth format is given by return to 0 polar, when 1 is represented by plus A volt and bit 0 will be represented by minus A volt. 6 is return to 0 bipolar, in this case, the alternative 1 is coded with the plus A and minus A voltage, and bit 0 will be represented by 0 volt. Again it is returned to 0, so bit duration is given by TB by 2. And the last code is given by bipolar Manchester, when bit 1 represent the moment from the high to low voltage, and bit 0 will represent low to high. Here I will show you how to draw the line code for the given digital data. It is given as 110010. So first I will show you what is the line code for the unipolar non-return to 0. Now this is what you will have the x-axis, where I have divided that time slot. This is TB, 2 TB, 3 TB, 4 TB, 5 TB, 6 TB. Okay. Now the thing is, first we will check what is the digital data they have given. They have given 110010. For the unipolar non-return to 0, your bit 1 is represented by the voltage plus A, and 0 will represented by the 0 volt. So what I will assign, this is the 1 voltage, this is 0 voltage, and this is plus A volt, right? So your data will be 1 1, so it will be continue with 1, then again you will have 1. Now next comes 0, then it is comes down for the 0. Next bit is again 0, so it will be continue with the 0, then it is 1, okay, with the voltage plus A. Again the last bit will be 0, so it will be coming down. So you will have, this is 1 1 0 0 1 0. Next line code, you will have the polar non-return to 0. So in this line code, you have 1 will be represented by plus A volt and 0 will be represented by minus A volt. So what we have, the digital data 110010. So 1 will be represented by plus A, again next one is plus A, next comes 0, so I have to move down, that is minus A. Still the next bit is again 0, so I have continue with the minus A volt. Then comes 1, so it will be going up plus A volt, and then last bit will be 0, so I have to come down again for minus A volt. Next line code is bipolar non-return to 0. In this bipolar non-return to 0, the alternative 1 is represented by plus A volt and minus A volt, and 0 will be represented by 0 volt. So what we will have the two voltage level for this case. This is plus A and this will be a minus A. The first bit is 1, next is 1 1. So this is first bit having the voltage is plus A, next bit is 1, so I will have the alternative 1 will be having the voltage will be plus A or minus B. So next one will be having the voltage is minus 1. Next comes 0 0. Now that will be having 0 voltage, so I will continue with this 0 volt, and this is also 0 because this is your 0 volt. Okay, now next bit is 1, so here it is plus A minus A. Now this is next alternative bit, so it will be having the voltage plus A, so it will be moving up. And then the last bit we will have a 0, so I will come down with a 0 voltage.